So I took off my all-season tires to put on the winter set, and I noticed a screw in the tire. And it was holding air fine and had the same air pressure as the other tires. So while it's out, I decided to repair the puncture. I'm going to show you how to do it at home. So first thing is take the screw out. I couldn't grab it with pliers, so I got a screwdriver and I'm just going to unscrew it out. This way is much safer than putting a big flathead screwdriver underneath it and try to pry it or pop it outwards, because it's dangerous and the screw can go into your eyes, the screwdriver can hit you in the face. So this is the kit I'm using from Slime. That is to prepare the hole, that is to put the rubber bit inside, and you have your rubber cement. And here are the instructions. It says to push it in and pull it straight out without twisting. I've done a lot of these, and in the end, once the glue dries, you just put some soapy water and inflate it and see if there are bubbles. Here's the hole. And now to put the rubber plug into that tool. And you have to do it like this with one short end and one long end. And then grab that thread tool there with the handle and shove it through the hole a couple of times to prepare the hole for the rubber plug, and also to make the hole a little bit bigger so you can run that tool through the hole. Now we're gonna put a dab of cement glue on the hole to mark where it is so you don't lose it, and also just to put some glue there, which helps. And then dab the rubber plug with as much glue as you can without making a huge mess. And notice how that rubber plug is run inside that tool, one long end and one short end. Don't make it even. Then this is going to require some strength and pressure. So shove it in. It's going to be tough, but you can do it. And pull it straight out. I've had kits before where they wanted you to twist it half a turn, but I'm just going by the instruction of this box. So you're going to have a long wick sticking out like this, which we will cut later. Next thing is I'm going to pump it with air a little bit. You don't have to pump it to full recommended PSI, just enough so that from the inside it's going to push the plug towards the wall of the tire. And then once the glue has dried a little bit, you can spray some soapy water to make sure there's no leaks in it. So right now I'm gonna cut it. Don't pull on it, just have enough pressure where it's straight so you can cut it. It's gonna be a bit tricky, but just be patient and go back and forth. If you have really good sharp scissors, you can do that as well. But the reason why you want to put slight amount of tension on it is because it's kind of sticky and it's hard to cut. So if you use scissors or anything while it's just dangling, it's gonna get stuck to the blade. But yeah, just be patient and eventually it's gonna be cut off. And I've also done something which I think is kind of dumb, but I've done it before and I don't recommend you do this. Do not do this. But I've just burnt off the that nub, and it's a little bit melted, and I can shove it into the crack of the thread there. And it's completely unnecessary to do this. You don't need to do this. It's just a little bit for entertainment, and it's kind of dangerous. Don't set fire to your house and blame me for it. But and next step is to make sure there's no leaks. We're going to spray it with some soapy water. And if there's any sort of leak, it will be completely obvious right now. But so far so good. And that's it. Job done.